All right, guys, so let's talk about why I invest. And I think investing is truly something personal. When you're thinking about anything in life, I think it comes down to values and belief systems. So for me, the reason why I invest, I wrote them down, so I'm gonna list them off to you right now. Number one, I believe in delayed gratification. I believe in budgeting. I believe in my family, my future kids. I believe in living a debt-free life, building wealth, generational wealth, and those are just some of the main ones that I have in my life. And I have to remind myself, because beliefs and values and things that you do every single day, I think if you don't remind yourself, you're just gonna live life and forget about them, because if you don't remind yourself and make yourself a habit of going through those things, it's very tough to actually live those out. And I think investing and budgeting are very much the same thing. For me personally, I love to budget my money almost weekly or every other week, if not every month, just so I have an understanding of where my finances are going, how much money I have as a whole, like what's my net worth, where am I projecting to go in the next year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. These are all things that I know are coming. You know, retirement is on its way. There's no reason why I should not even be thinking about these things. If I'm not conscious of them, I'm not going to be aware of what's happening in my life. And life is happening. It's happening every single day. So you just need to realize, if you're gonna start investing, if you're gonna start putting money towards your future and investing towards your future, you need to have a plan. So for me, my plan is budgeting. It's investing for the future. And I think if you're in your 20s, your 30s, even if you're 40s, 50s, you need a plan to move your financial future forward. And the best way that you can do that is through budgeting and investing. So I actually want to talk to you about what investing actually is. I'm going to bring out the old Wikipedia here. So let me pull it out here. And I think everyone should hear what investing actually is, because it's basically having a lot of faith and believing in something that you can't see for something that you want in the future. And I'm gonna give you my definition of investing here after I show what Wikipedia says. So it says, to invest is to allocate money with the expectation of a positive benefit / return in the future. In other words, to invest means owning an asset or an item with the goal of generating income from the investment or the appreciation of your investment, which is an increase in the value of the asset over a period of time. Here's the kicker. When a person invests, it always requires a sacrifice of some present asset that they own, such as time, money, or effort. Guys, time, money, or effort. So any investment, whether it be in your body, whether it be in your mind, whether it be in your finances, it requires a sacrifice. It requires you to take something today, put it on hold for the future. And I think having faith is so important in that. Well, actually, I told you I was gonna give you my version of investing. It's actually my version of faith. So let me talk to you about faith here, because I think it's a huge role in budgeting and investing, because having faith is one of the most valuable things that you could understand. So, in my belief. So here we go. Faith is a trust and confidence in that which you can't see, with the expectation you will receive in return a greater, more desirable result, situation, or circumstance. So faith, a trust and confidence in that which you can't see, with the expectation you will receive in return a greater, more desirable result, situation, or circumstance. So take, for example, me working out my body this morning. I'm sacrificing my muscles. I'm gonna be sore as hell tomorrow and Saturday, I know it. I'm just not gonna be able to walk up my stairs or down my stairs, but I'm sacrificing today's hurt and time for tomorrow's strength in my body. I'm sacrificing my body's muscle tissue. I'm ripping apart literally my muscles so I can have stronger muscles tomorrow, so I can have a stronger body, more healthy body tomorrow and weeks and months and years to come. These are all things that I invest in because I know tomorrow and beyond are coming. And in the same way with investing and budgeting your money, if you don't invest as a 20-year-old, as a 30-year-old, 40 or 50, 60-year-old, whatever it is, if you don't start investing in yourself first, in your mind, your body, your finances, your job, your business, if you don't start investing, you are gonna be left so far behind, and you're gonna wake up one day and go, where the hell am I? How did I get here? And what you're gonna realize is you got here by doing the things that you're doing every single day, not being conscious, not having faith and sacrifice so you can have something tomorrow. So guys, I know this is a quick, easy video for you, but I wanna share some things that I invest in and some things that I really hope that you can go and research for yourself. You're on the internet, you're on YouTube, just look up some of these things and start investing. There's also gonna be some links down below that you can click to get yourself started with a head start. So I'm gonna tell you what I invest in and then what you can actually start doing for yourself. First thing, number one, I invest in my mind. I read, I eat healthy. I make sure that I don't do, a whole lot of crazy things that are gonna screw this up and, not make myself capable to do a job, run a business, whatever it may be. The other thing is my body. I invest in real estate, 401k, IRA, Roth IRA, cryptocurrencies, and with all of those things, you need to have delayed gratification. So those are just a few things that I invest in myself. Those are a few helpful links down below that you can actually take a look at. But at the end of the day, if you don't invest in yourself, in your mind, in your body, in your financial future, if you don't have a plan for your future, you are gonna wake up tomorrow in a worse position or in the same position because you did not plan. You did not think about the future. You didn't invest in yourself and in those certain situations. So think about what I just said. In your 20s, in your 30s, do some investment in yourself, do some research, educate yourself, and move your financial future forward. If you don't know how to budget your money, I'm gonna leave a link up here. Also down below, there's a free link for a free budgeting tool that I created. I did a full video on how to budget, and hope that helps, guys. Happy Friday. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Take care.